Welcome to Union College, where you can experience an affordable college education. My name is Jonathan Ricard, and I am the Student Accounts Manager here at Union College. Paying for college can be more affordable than you think. There are as many paths to paying for college as there are students here on our campus. At Union College, we like to think that college is made affordable by a financial partnership, each partner contributing unique assets and resources. These partners include the government, parents of students, students themselves, and institutional scholarships. Here are the top 5 things you need to know when considering how to pay for college. The first thing you need to consider is the free application for federal student aid, also known as the FAFSA. This is an online financial questionnaire that the government uses to help determine your eligibility for federal financial aid. You need to complete this form after you have completed your 2012 tax returns. And if you don't think you are eligible for federal financial aid, it is important that you complete this form. Some forms of financial aid are available only on a first-come, first-served basis. And even if you think you aren't eligible, you are most likely eligible for some form of federal aid. When you are ready to complete the FAFSA, please go to www.fafsa.gov. The second thing you need to know about are federal loans and grants. You are only eligible to receive these funds if you complete the FAFSA. Grants are free money that the government gives you to help you pay for your education, whereas loans are borrowed funds that will need to be repaid after you graduate. The third thing you need to be aware of is the Merit Scholarship Program. This Union College program uses your GPA and test scores in order to award you a scholarship. Our highest scholarship is over $30,000. That is a significant savings to you. In order to take advantage of this, please take your ACT or SAT score several times. We only count your highest score. Please consider taking your ACT or SAT test several times if you feel you can improve your score. We only count your highest score. The fourth thing you need to consider is the Union College Matching Scholarship Program. Not all summer jobs are the same. Here's how to make your hard work go farther. If you work at a summer camp in the Seventh-day Adventist denomination, we will match 75% of your earnings up to $1,200 as long as you apply your camp earnings towards your student account. We also match funds that are earned from literature evangelism activities, as long as those are put towards your college education, up to $2,000. Finally, if you work on campus at Union College, you can earn an extra scholarship of up to $1,200. Finally, many churches have scholarship programs, and we will match up to 50% of any church donation put onto your Union College account. That can be an extra $1,750. The last thing to consider are private scholarships. There are many opportunities out there for you to receive additional scholarships based on your unique qualifications. Please consider applying for scholarships that are unique to you. What are the attributes that make you successful? What makes you unique? Where are you from? Many times, local service organizations have scholarships for students from specific towns. Consider researching these resources. You could find yourself with extra money that you didn't know was available to you. So, how do you avail yourselves of all of these opportunities here at Union College? The first step in this process is acceptance. Submit your application, transcripts, and test scores. You need to, secondly, complete the FAFSA, and third, complete the online financial questionnaire. In your acceptance packet, you will receive a login to the Union College portal. Once there, please click the My Financial Aid link. That will take you to the Student Financial Services page, where there is a tab titled Apply Online. This questionnaire is vital in order for us to analyze your profile and let you know what aid you are eligible for. Fourth, sign and finalize all of your financial paperwork. And fifth, make your first payment. Now that you know about the process here at Union College, let's talk in a little bit more detail about some of the things we discussed earlier. First, the financial aid process. You want to consider what important financial aid deadlines there might be. Completing the FAFSA and starting your scholarship search should all be done before you complete your senior year in high school. Many scholarships require you to complete their application during your spring semester in high school. We recommend that you complete the FAFSA no later than April 15th. The earliest you can complete the FAFSA is January 1st. Remember, the website is www.fafsa.gov, and you need your prior year's tax returns to complete this document. If you don't have a PIN number, please go to www.pin.ed.gov. Both the student and the parents will need their own unique PIN number. To include Union College on your FAFSA, please use the code 002563. You can include multiple colleges when you complete the FAFSA. Once you have completed the FAFSA, all of the colleges you submit the information to will receive a student aid report. This provides the estimated family contribution that colleges use to determine your eligibility for federal aid. When completing the FAFSA, please utilize the IRS data retrieval tool. Once you click yes on this option, your FAFSA will be saved and you will be transferred to the IRS website. Once you have entered the requested information, the IRS will validate your identification and your tax information will be displayed. You can then transfer it automatically to the FAFSA and all your financial information will be populated from your tax return. Like I said before, it is important that you complete the FAFSA even if you don't qualify for grants. You may qualify for loans, and many institutions utilize the expected family contribution in order to determine your eligibility for institutional grants and aid. Federal resources are significant and can help you drastically reduce the cost of college. Some of the programs include the Pell Grant Program, the FSEOG Grant, the Subsidized Direct Loan Program, and the Unsubsidized Direct Loan Program. In addition to these, the government provides flexible Parent Plus loans to cover any additional expenses. Direct loans are one of the largest loan programs the government has. These loans do not begin repayment until 6 months after the student graduates or drops below half-time enrollment. The Subsidized Direct Loan Program does not have interest charges while the student is in school. The Unsubsidized Loan Program does, but the interest rate is fixed at 6.8%. Federal loan terms are usually more advantageous than private loans. Make sure you utilize federal loans first before applying for outside private loans. Unique in student financial aid is the Parent Plus loan. This is the only loan that is in the parent's name and not in the student's name. The interest rate on this loan is currently fixed at 7.9%. In addition to federal funding, Union College scholarships are available. Our largest award is the Merit Award, which is funded by generous donors and alumni. We also have need-based scholarships and provide matching scholarships like we have discussed before. The Merit Award program has several different tiers. The first tier is available to those students with an ACT score of 27 or above and a GPA of 3.5 or above. This award is $11,000 in the first year and $5,500 each year thereafter until the fifth year, where only $2,750 is awarded. The second tier for the Merit Award is available to students with an ACT score of 23 and a GPA of above 3.25. This award starts at $9,000 in the first year. Finally, the last tier of the merit program is for students with an ACT score of at least 20 or a GPA of 3.5. In addition to the merit awards we've already discussed, we also offer a version of the merit award program for students who are transferring in after their freshman year. Unlike the merit awards we've already discussed, these transfer awards are based on the GPA that the student has achieved thus far in college. The highest transfer tier is for those students whose cumulative GPA is above 3.5. The second tier is for cumulative GPAs above 3.25. And finally, the last tier is for those students who have a GPA of between 3.0 and 3.24. Finally, for those students who do not qualify for either of the prior two programs, we offer a financial aid application grant. These awards are for students who have a GPA of above 2.0. We have a program for first-time freshmen and for transfer students. Remember, as we've talked about before, we have various programs that match scholarship earnings put on your Union College account. For camps, the match is 75%. For literature evangelism, the match is 100%. And for church contributions, the match is 50%. Studies show that students who work while attending college actually do better in their studies than if they don't. We recommend that each student at Union College find a job, whether on or off campus. This slide shows the potential earnings that you could apply towards your account based on working 5, 10, 15, or 20 hours a week. A college education is a significant investment, but it's one that pays dividends for the rest of your life. This is the current tuition rate per semester and year for Union College. If you are here for a semester, your expenses are likely to total around $13,000. And if you are here for a full year, your expenses are going to be closer to $26,000. Let's look at what a financial plan would look like for a student with a 0 EFC. Costs would be, as we mentioned, but then we would start talking about the credits. The Pell Grant, for example, $5,550 of free money. The direct loan subsidized for $3,500, and the direct loan unsubsidized for $2,000. This student is eligible for the mid-range academic merit award, and they also received $3,300 from their church. You add up all of those sources of funding, and the remaining balance on their account is only $2,940. Here is another student. This student has an expected family contribution of $2,600. They are also eligible for the same merit award and the same church contribution. However, you'll notice their eligibility for the Pell Grant has decreased to $3,000, but their eligibility for direct loans remains the same. This change in expected family contribution means that this student needs to find $5,490 to help fund their college education here at Union College. Let's think about the ways that student could find that $5,490. Working on campus could easily net $2,500 towards your college education. In addition, there's cost savings because you are no longer living at home. Perhaps your parents could designate some of those savings towards your college education. The federal government gives parents a tax credit or deduction for their children in college. Perhaps some of these funds could be utilized. The cost to attend Union College is very comparable to other Adventist colleges. In addition, the cost to attend Union is very comparable to other institutions here in Nebraska. By now, you're probably cringing at all of the costs associated with Union College, so let's start talking about some of the benefits. Every student is enrolled in the Associated Student Body and has access to all the banquets, Saturday night activities, and the largest clubs on campus. In addition to ASB membership, you have the opportunity to enroll in 2 other on-campus clubs without additional charges. We have free parking, gym, library, internet cable, and printing in the Mac and PC computer labs. In addition, Union Market charges by weight, not meal. So if all you want is a banana for breakfast, you won't be paying $8. Finally, while other institutions have full-time tuition capped at 16 credits, ours allows you to take an extra credit up to 17 per semester. This can save you significantly in the long run. Most students choose to pay for their education at Union College in monthly installments. We have a 10-month plan beginning in August and ending in May. Payments are due on the 1st of each month. In addition, there is a $25 fee for late payments. Once you've completed the financial aid process, you will receive an award letter detailing which programs you are eligible to participate in and for what amount. As we mentioned before, private scholarships can help you significantly reduce your expenses while in college. Please consider visiting some of these websites in order to start your scholarship search. Never pay for access to scholarships. Once again, here are the steps for completing your financial aid process at Union College. Complete your application and get accepted. Submit your transcripts. Complete the FAFSA at www.fafsa.gov. Log in to the Union College portal and complete the financial questionnaire. Finally, after all of these steps are completed, you'll receive your award letter. If you have any questions, the professionals in Student Financial Services are happy to assist you. Please contact us at any time. Our email is sfs@ucollege.edu or call 402-486-2505. We are happy to meet with you and answer any specific questions. Thank you for your time.